The following message is transmitted at the request of the Valencia Police Department. A hostage situation is taking place at Six Flags Magic Mountain theme park in the city of Valencia, California. At approximately 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 4 terrorists entered the theme park, opened fire on innocent civilians, and then roamed around the theme park taking 300 hostages. The terrorists' demands to the police and/or hostages is unknown at this time. As a precaution, Six Flags Magic Mountain has been closed until further notice. No one is allowed in this area until the situation is under control. All residents within a 10-mile radius of Six Flags Magic Mountain are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. Tune into your local news station for more information and the latest updates on this situation. Stay away from this area at all costs. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jackson Police Department. A hostage situation is taking place at Six Flags Great Adventure in the city of Jackson, New Jersey. At approximately 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 3 terrorists entered the theme park, opened fire on innocent civilians, and then roamed around the theme park taking 250 hostages. The demands the terrorists have is unknown at this time. This may be related to the incident at Six Flags Magic Mountain, but may not be confirmed at this time. Six Flags Great Adventure has been closed until further notice. No one is allowed in this area until the situation has been put under control. All residents within a 15-mile radius of Six Flags Great Adventure are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. Tune into your local news station for further information on this developing situation. Civil danger for the states of California and New Jersey. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Police Department and the New Jersey State Police Department. At approximately 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, several reports have come in that a group of terrorists have threatened to detonate nuclear bombs at Six Flags Magic Mountain in Valencia, California and Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey. The terrorists will detonate the bombs in the next 30 minutes. It has been confirmed that these incidents are related to the theme park incidents 1 year ago. All residents in these states are advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Tune into your local news station for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, police and SWAT teams have been dispatched to both amusement parks and killed all the terrorists in a shootout, and defused the 2 nuclear bombs. All residents are free to leave shelter. However, Remain tuned into your local news station in case of further developments. The following message is transmitted at the request of the governors of the states of California and New Jersey. At approximately 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the two nuclear bombs at Six Flags Magic Mountain and Six Flags Great Adventure have detonated, obliterating both theme parks. The terrorists have died in the explosion as well. However, nuclear fallout is a major threat. All residents within a 500-mile radius of both theme parks should seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Grab food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for 14 days. Tune into your local news station for further news and information on this dangerous situation. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. An administrative message from the United States government. The fallout has cleared. Repeat, the fallout has cleared. All residents may exit their shelters. However, it may take several years to build damaged areas. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. We now switch to regular programming.